Do you want to have a spin round and see?
No, come on.
Oh, look those guys. You can. I'll get you on film. The guy who had the bike before you didn't say, did he?
Didn't say what?
Puncture, knobhead. Oh, here we go, turbo LEVO. Electric. Boom, shakalaka boom. Oh, the power. It's just crazy. Oh. Drop it. Here's a high. We go low. This is where we shine. Power. Cheers. Oh. What? I don't know, they're like friggin' snowmobile. Whoa. Woo! Yeah, they are. They're pretty slidey, aren't they? Saying how fat they are. There we go. It makes it well easy, this. Holy moly. Oh. Thank you. Specialised, here we go. These are awesome. Yeah, boy. Full turbo mode now. Come on. Whiskey. Oh shit. Pedal it. Power! Feel the burn, baby! Woo! You're right! It's good, isn't it? I want one! Well, I need a student loan to get one. It's like I had 10 cups of coffee. Wow. Woo! Holy moly. Oh, yeah. You were squirming. Wow. Up high, down low. I don't know, you only use about 3/4. I've only used 3/4. Have it. flip on these. I'm not even out of breath. I need a wee though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. You know that video it said it's hard to manual and all that, and I didn't find it hard to manual. I didn't find it hard to manual. Saying it's heavy and all that. Oh. Oops. All right.
What use of them round handlebars though?
Oh, the palms.
For my wrist.
Oh. I'm in full turbo. Let's
Full turbo.
No, I'm trying it now. It's the plus the top one, I think.
You alright?
I'm good. Keep me rolling, rolling, rolling. Keep me rolling, 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 rolling. Fucking squirming everywhere. There's a single track there. Where's that go? Look at this. Yeah! Whoa! Just fucking rides over everything. Rides it over! Why? That's not a bad thing. You fly off into the hedge like Mum on the scooter. That's what we'll do. Whoa! That slid the tyre then. Oh. Keep going, man. Woo! Oh no. Oh no. Holy moly. The tyres are all soft. Where's the big man? My arms hurt now. Whoa! Fucking huge! These are really good. Whoa! Yeah! Sweet! Oh, nice! Woo! It's like Christmas. Here we go. Oh no, I'm off. Whoa! Woo! Should we do that last bit again? I know I could do the whole dog at this rate. Power! Power! Oh baby! This is crazy! Oh yes! This is well easy! Power! Ding dong, ding dong! Ding dong, ding dong, ding! Ding dong! What?
Need a wee.
Ah.